Welcome to this technical guide on the PS5. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your PS5 is powered on but your television shows nothing, you may have a faulty HDMI connector. This issue can arise due to wear and tear, accidental damage, or even a manufacturing defect. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, potentially harming your console's internal components. To tackle this repair, you will need a small Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a replacement HDMI connector specifically for the PS5. Begin by ensuring your PS5 is completely powered off and unplugged from the mains. It's crucial to work in a static-free environment to prevent damage to sensitive components. Carefully remove the outer casing of the PS5. Start by using the spudger to gently pry apart the seams, taking your time to avoid any cracking or damage. Once the casing is off, locate the HDMI connector. It is usually situated near the back of the console. Examine it closely for any visible signs of damage or disconnection. To remove the old HDMI connector, carefully unscrew the screws holding it in place. These screws are usually quite small, so use your Phillips screwdriver delicately. Be cautious when lifting the connector out, as there may be small cables attached. Gently disconnect these cables, noting their positions for reassembly. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take your new HDMI connector and connect it in the same manner the old one was attached. Ensure that all cables are securely fastened and that the connector is properly seated. Once everything is in place, reattach the screws, being careful not to over-tighten them, as this could strip the screws or damage the surrounding area. Now, replace the outer casing of your PS5, ensuring all clips are securely fastened. Once you have reassembled the console, plug it back in, power it on, and check if the display on your television is working. If all goes well, you should see the familiar PS5 logo. To prevent this issue from recurring, be mindful of how you handle your console. Avoid any unnecessary force when connecting or disconnecting HDMI cables, and consider using a surge protector to shield your console from power spikes. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.